Yo, welcome back to Outdoors with No. Today, I'm just gonna be doing some grilled chicken thighs and also I'm gonna throw some fish on the grill. So here's the thighs I got, and I'm gonna be seasoning it with buttery steakhouse. And I'm not just gonna season it, I'm gonna go ahead and marinate it because I don't need to cook for a little while. So I'm gonna put it in this bag and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. Okay, just got it finished seasoned up, and I did end up using some canola oil as a binder. That way, kind of, chicken's got a lot of grease, but it's gonna be grilling it, so it'll kind of cook off. So it's not a big deal. All right, so we got the coals lit here, and I'm gonna let them, get a little more fully lit before I worry about anything else. I will be leaving them in the middle, and I'll have everything indirect heat on the perimeter. So that's what I'll be working with. Okay, that's my Tony's no salt. I'm gonna be foil wrapping these and throwing these on the grill as well. There's just some squash and zucchini. I got a little bit of olive oil in there as a binder, and also to just help it keep moist and cooked just right. But I'm gonna wrap it up with a good bit of foil. The foil will protect it, keep all the juice in there, and not let it get too burned. Indirect heat, so it doesn't burn on the bottom. But once you foil it up, you can flip these over, turn them, think about where their placement is, because if one end is on the fire the whole time, depending on how you turn it, that end may still be at the fire. So you want to rotate it, 180 degrees this way, 180 degrees this way. Get a good full cook on all sides and make sure it gets nice and tender and cooked. Okay, so I got the veggies double wrapped, and then I got some leftover veggies here as treats for the dogs. You already know. Okay, got the goodies. You just get them set up out here. Now I also have some canola spray down there, and I went ahead and sprayed that on the grill. So here's my direct heat, then all my indirect heat on the outside. Now that's still a lot of heat going to be put off from these coals, but that's fine. We'll be putting the chicken, perimeters. Still pretty close here though, but it'll be on the perimeter as well as the vegetables on the perimeter. And then I got a steak I need to cook and some salmon, so I'll just fit it all on there. It's not a problem. Let me go get my tongs though. And I'm gonna do meat side down. These, they got some seasoning. I could have got some more on there. Might just throw some on there. Actually, I am going to be saucing these, so. But season and sauce, that's how they're going to taste good in the long run. You can see that seasoning on there. Okay. And let's get these veggies. So you see those veggies are going to be getting a good amount of heat from that coal, but I'll rotate it every, 10-20 minutes. And actually I got my hickory smoking chips. Throw them right there. And shut it down. And we're not going to be at full temp. Go ahead and cut it to maybe about that. Should be good to go for now. I'm going to check back in about 10 minutes. So I mentioned some sauce. This is what I got. You know, I've been seeing a lot of people use, Kinders. And I just wanted to give it a test rather than just always using Tony's and whatever else I got, Slap Your Mom and all that kind of random stuff. So, you know, it's kind of mainstream. Seems pretty popular. We'll see what's up. Okay, let's check it out. Ooh. Looking crispy already. I'm gonna go ahead and flip them because I want to season them a little bit more. Damn, they're looking good though. Let's rotate this. Okay. Got my little seasoning here. Exactly. The chicken very, you know, thighs. They got a lot of grease to it. Okay. Got those seasoned up nicely. So, time to throw some more chips on it. And the coals look to be doing just fine. A nice firm. You can see a little bit of fire, but that's going to go out soon. And there's the smoke. Perfect. So we'll check back in another like 10 minutes. Okay, I'm just doing some temp checks. Looking for 165. There we go. Oh yeah, we hot on that one. Check both sides. Check the cold side. Let's see. Yeah, even on the back end. Check by the bone. Good. Chicken thighs are very forgiving. You don't have to worry about. This one's a little low, but it's not a problem. That one's right up on it. So that's perfect. So I'm actually going to sauce these up and then let them sit a little bit longer. So, okay. So I was losing light outside, but here's the final product on the chicken. Sauced up, looking beautiful. Got the steak. He ran into some trouble, but I'm sure he'll be delicious. And then got the veggies. I don't know if you can see the steam coming out the pack. They came out great. I will go ahead and add some more seasoning to it, a little more salt, but they're delicious already. And then I'm gonna go ahead and throw the fish on shortly. It just didn't have room, and it doesn't take too long. I don't want to cook it too early.